So today after a rainstorm, I found some more leaves with my blood crying out. They had just fallen and see the blood manifesting? There's some more. See that? That's not normal for these type of leaves, this kind of tree. It's actually bloody. You see? Here's another one. See what I'm saying? I didn't dip that in blood. You know what I mean? That literally is my blood crying out. Because my blood is still crying out. People keep persecuting me. Now they're trying to manifest my blood crying out. Like, how insane are they? I mean, that's stupid, and that's worthy of further consequences.